I've got a series of clamps that go on here. I fill up full of compressed air up to 150 psi, and then I use oxy with propane because I get more heat out of the propane than I do out of the oxy. Once I get the gun set, it's pretty straightforward. Just do this one first. Walk the flame around it. And it just comes out to the torch. There's a finished product there. I'll go to this one. This has actually got 2 dents in it, so it's going to be a bit harder to get out. I've got a couple of small ones around the side. They're harder to do, the small ones. And that's it, finished job, all done. I first saw this done in 1982 in Farleigh Castle, walking past the White Power suspension guy, and he was doing all the pipes for Brad Lackey, Graham Noyce, etc. And I watched him doing it. It was absolutely fantastic, and it grabbed me, and I thought I need to learn how to do that. And it helped being in the panel beating game. It was quite straightforward to get into it. The hardest thing to do was, originally, you couldn't buy any fittings and adapters for it. So I used to braze everything solid, drill a hole and put an air fitting in it before I could get the air in. But 30 years ago, I went to Europe and I found a catalogue with these clamps in it, which you can't buy anymore, and I've been using them ever since. Makes it fairly quick. The longest part of doing the whole job is fitting the clamps on.